Can we talk about why the world is so messed up? Look at what happens with these twins. They get introduced to this toy, and one of them starts crying, and the mother does nothing. She thinks it's hilarious.
Dominic, Declan. Hey, I touch it now.
So when the child becomes afraid, it is the mother's job to console the child, to say it's okay, and to go and touch the little toy or to hug the child. But watch how sick she is in the head. So essentially, this toy sometimes makes some babies laugh, and you can see that the twin is more neutral, but the other baby in the striped shirt is clearly frightened. And the mother does nothing. She films a TikTok. I feel so bad for this child. The fuck is the matter with her? Never treat your children this way. When babies cry, your job is to show them that you are there to protect them, to show them that you are going to be always there for them, to comfort them, not to laugh at them. Again, she puts her head in the pillow, saying, "Mommy, I'm scared." And the mother does nothing. How evil can you be? How can you not have empathy towards your child? This might seem like nothing to some people, but this is a lifetime of trauma. You're teaching your child that she cannot trust you. You're teaching your child that you will betray her, that you will not be there to comfort her in her time of need. It continues. Terrible. Please do not be cruel to your children. Please comfort them when they need you. They're just babies. And the first 3 to 5 years are so important so that your child grows up to feel good about themselves in the world, not terrified. Let's watch another one. Here the child is clearly still not happy, but the mother remains completely silent. The mother should say something like, "It's okay," and she should touch the toy to reassure the child. At no point should your child be frightened without you there to help. Here's another one, sick TikTok parents. The child is to the point where she is so angry and upset and crying, and the father is filming and laughing. See, she's scared. The child is scared. Why do parents think this is funny? What the fuck is wrong with you parents? Put away your phones and take care of your children. Love them. Soothe them. Be there for them. They're not here on earth to entertain you. They're not objects. Sickening. Here's an example of a child who is having fun. And this is okay.
Amelia. Hello.
You see, the child looks to the parent for some guidance, but the child is not afraid.
Amelia.
In that case, everything is okay. The child is exploring, but the mother is very close by to help to soothe the child if necessary. Here's another one where the baby sees the object in front, this cactus with big eyes, and at first the baby is just happy looking at a smiley face. But then he becomes scared. He looks to his mom or dad for some guidance, starts to cry, but what's the parent going to do? Once again, the child's not sure how to react, is a little bit afraid, closing the eyes, worrying that this cactus might attack his face. He's very vulnerable, he's just little. He's waiting to see what happens, looking to the mom or the dad for guidance. Puts his hand in his mouth to self-soothe. Indicating to mom or dad, I'm not really happy here. I don't really like this. Can you say something, please, mom or dad? Can you help me? Is this safe? I don't feel safe right now. And full out crying. Absolutely horrible that it gets to this. The parent should immediately go and soothe the child and should have seen the signs ahead of time. Sickening. Next, we're going to watch a full-grown man carrying in a full-grown man who is going to act like a baby. What do you think of this scene? So in this case, you see that the actor is portraying what babies feel. But is he doing it with empathy? Is he teaching parents not to put this cactus in front of a scared child? Or is he making fun of the children? Making fun of babies, 6-month-old, 8-month-old babies, thereby encouraging this. Personally, I see nothing funny about this. If you care about all creatures on this planet, both babies and all adults, and even animals, subscribe. Subscribe if you have empathy in your heart, and you can feel empathy for victims. Thank you for being here. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan